So the side lying hip abduction, nice easy one just to activate the glutes. What I tend to find with people with glute activation exercises, it's great to be performing all of the extension based ones, but particularly within a low intensity setting, the glutes tend to shorten a little bit easier within an abducted position, which is why we do things like the fire hydrants, side lying hip abductions and so on, just so you can get that blood into the muscle and you can improve that mind muscle connection to the glutes. So you want to lie on your side, okay, with your shoulders stacked directly on top of one another, and ideally your hips also on top of one another. I always encourage people to reach forward with their upper arm, okay, the one that's on top and not on the ground. It just encourages a stable position and prevents the torso from rotating off to one side. You're then going to take the top leg slightly back, so we're just encouraging a little bit of extension, okay? And then from here, think about lifting the thigh up towards the ceiling. Don't focus too much on your foot, okay, because if you do, you'll recruit some of the other abductors like the TFL and so on. You just want to focus on lifting the upper thigh towards the ceiling and trying to activate those glutes. I always recommend for people to also push down into the ground with the lower leg, i.e. the leg that's on the floor. This just stops the pelvis from tilting slightly and kind of performing a side bend motion and just encourages a little bit more activation of the glutes. Again, when you're pushing up, you want to focus on pushing up and backwards slightly, so we're getting that abduction and extension in the same pattern and just encouraging a bit more blood flow to the glute.